Okay, this video is to demonstrate how to reinsert an axle bushing back into the flange. It can be the front flange or the back flange. It doesn't matter, the procedure is the same. What we've done is we removed the inlet hose from the swivel. You do not have to take the swivel off your garden hose. You just need access to this area here. And when you're going to remove the reel from the axle, and you're going to want to set it on something where it won't damage the paint. Cardboard, grass, I've got it on this rug here. And so the first thing you do, the bushing has got a smaller tapered end and then a flared end, which is a little bit larger. Obviously the flared end goes up, the tapered end goes down. So what you want to do is just kind of set it on there. And it's going to be a tight fit, so basically you get it aligned. And then you want to take a 2x4 and a hammer. It can be a claw hammer or it can be a rubber mallet. And then what you want to do, you want to align the 2x4 right on top, and then just give it a couple good wraps. Just work it down in there until she's all the way down. Just make sure she's flush, and you've got it reinstalled. You're ready to put it back on your reel.